Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our series on essential business topics. Today, we are diving into the world of human resource planning. Acronym for human resource planning is HRP, a critical aspect of organizational management. Human resource planning. So, in this video, we'll explore the exact meaning of HRP, its significance in business operations, the challenges it presents, and how we can learn from the real life examples to implement effective strategies. So, let's get started with human resource planning. Now, let's understand human resource planning. So, human resource planning or HRP refers to the strategic process of aligning an organization's workforce with its business objectives and requirements. So, the alignment of organization's workforce that is aligning humans of organization or employees of organization with the business objectives and requirements is called human resource planning. It involves forecasting future workforce needs, identifying the skill gaps, and developing strategies to address them. So, in human resource planning, it simply means planning what will be the requirements of the future regarding the employees of the company, what would be the future forecast of workforce needs, then identifying the skill gaps and addressing them. Now, essentially, HRP ensures that right people are in the right place at the right time to achieve organizational goals. Now, what is the importance and benefits of HRP? So, human resource planning plays a crucial role in organizational success for several reasons. Firstly, it helps organizations anticipate and prepare for changes in the labor market, such as shifts in demographics, technology advancements, and economic fluctuations. By proactively addressing workforce needs, companies can avoid talent shortages or surpluses, reducing recruitment cost and improving productivity. So that's why human resource planning is extremely crucial. Now, additionally, HRP fosters employee development and career progression by identifying skill requirements and offering training and development programs. This not only enhances employee engagement and satisfaction, but also strengthens the organization's talent pipeline for future leadership positions. Now, what is the scope of human resource planning? So, the scope of human resource planning extends across various areas of human resource management, including recruitment, training, performance management, and succession planning. It involves analyzing current workforce capabilities, assessing future demands, and implementing strategies to bridge the gap between the two. Moreover, HRP encompasses both short term operational needs as well as long term strategic objectives, ensuring, ensuring continuity and sustainability in workforce management. So, the scope is vast of HRP in the Human Resource Management Department. Now, let's look at the challenges in HRP. So, despite its importance, HRP poses several challenges for organizations. One most common challenge is the dynamic nature of external environment, which makes accurate workforce forecasting difficult. So, as we know, the business world, the external environment is extremely dynamic. It keeps on changing. So, this poses the biggest risk and challenge when it comes to human resource planning, which makes accurate workforce forecasting difficult. Now, the factors such as the changing market conditions, technological disruptions, regulatory challenges, regulatory changes can significantly impact workforce planning efforts. For example, there were many firms in India that were giving free financial advices. They used to make money out of the ads. However, they used to give stock market related advices for free. So suddenly there were regulations regarding the same, and there was a strict restriction on doing so. If you are not certified for it, if you are not a professional, you cannot give advice on where to invest. So this was a sudden change. This affected the HRP of many firms. Now, additionally, aligning HRP with organizational strategies and obtaining buy-in from stakeholders can be challenging. Without leadership support and collaboration across departments, HRP initiatives may struggle to gain traction and deliver desired outcomes. Moreover, limited data availability and inadequate HR analytics capabilities can hinder effective decision making and workforce planning. So, these were some of the very important challenges that are faced in the human resource planning. However, we need to make sure that there is everything that we are doing when it comes to human resource planning, because this is one of the most crucial parts of human resource management. Because if the planning is done accurately, if the planning is done effectively, then the execution would be correct. And if the execution of human resource management is done properly, the organization can achieve its goals. Now let's move on to the real life examples. Let's examine 3 real life examples of companies that have successfully implemented human resource planning strategies. Now the first one is IBM. We all have heard of IBM. IBM, a global technology company, is renowned for its strategic approach to workforce planning. By leveraging data analytics and predictive modeling, IBM identifies future skills requirements and invests in employee development programs accordingly. This proactive approach has helped IBM stay ahead of industry trends and maintain a competitive edge in talent acquisition and retention. Now, the next example would be Walmart. We all have heard of Walmart. Walmart is one of the world's largest retailers. Walmart places a strong emphasis on workforce planning to support its expansive operations. The human resource planning in terms of expansive operations is really good when it comes to Walmart. However, there have been controversies related to the payment and the compensation side of human resource management. However, Walmart utilizes sophisticated forecasting techniques to anticipate staffing needs across its stores, distribution centers, and corporate offices. By accurately predicting demand and aligning staffing levels accordingly, Walmart ensures optimal customer service and operational efficiencies. Now let's go to the next example, that is Google. Google, known for its innovative culture and employee-centric approach. We have also discussed this in the previous chapter. Now, Google prioritizes human resource planning to sustain its growth and innovation. Google utilizes a data-driven approach to analyze workforce trends, identify talent gaps, and develop targeted recruitment and retention strategies. By investing in employee engagement initiatives and professional development opportunities. Google fosters a culture of continuous learning and innovation. This is a great example of effective human resource planning. We can learn a lot from the Google's work culture and human resource management. Now, let's go on to the conclusion. In conclusion, human resource planning is a fundamental process that enables organizations to align their workforce and employees with strategic objectives, anticipate future needs, and overcome talent related challenges. By studying real life examples and best practices, business students and professionals can gain valuable insights into effective workforce planning strategies and apply them to their future careers. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of human resource planning. I hope you found this video informative and insightful. Remember, mastering human resource planning is essential for any business leader or aspiring professional looking to drive organizational success through effective workforce management. Always remember, people are the biggest asset for each and every organization. That's why human resource management is extremely crucial for any organization, whether it is profit or not for profit. So stay tuned for more valuable insights in our upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and also let us know in the comment section what are your views on human resource planning and why do you want to learn human resource planning. See you in the next learning video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and stay healthy.